Hey, Kayla Meister, Milo Meister, it's Grandpa again. It is Science Saturday, and the mad scientist Grandpa is busy at work again. So we've already done 2 experiments. Do you remember what the 2 experiments are that we've done already? The first one was the colorful fountain. Remember, we had test tubes and we had colors, and all the colors squirted up out of the test tubes. And then the second one we did was we made a rainbow. Last week we made a rainbow. Well, today we're going to use a balloon. We're going to blow this balloon up, but we're not going to blow it up with our mouth and blowing air into it. We're going to blow it up with a chemical reaction. So what do I have? I have a balloon. I decided to get a pretty orange balloon. We have a measuring spoon. I'm going to need 5 grams of baking soda. We have baking soda, and baking soda is just a normal kitchen ingredient that you use in a lot of things. I'm going to put some vinegar in here. This is the vinegar. Grandma. Mimi uses vinegar to wash Grandpa's clothes when Grandpa gets really, really sweaty and they really, really smell bad. So she'll use this when she washes my clothes to get all the stink out. But anyway, that's vinegar. And then we have a funnel to help us get the vinegar into here and to get the baking soda into here. Oh, and then Grandpa's got his safety glasses. Got to always have my safety glasses. So we're going to take off my regular glasses and I'm putting on my safety glasses. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put 5 grams. This is a measuring spoon, 5 grams of baking soda into the measuring spoon. So here I'm pouring it. And it doesn't have to be exact, just roughly. That looks pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty good. And now I'm going to put the funnel on the balloon and I'm going to pour the baking soda in. So all the baking soda is going into the balloon. I hope it's going into the balloon. No baking soda, so it must be in the balloon. All right, so that's the first part. And then the second part, I thought I was going to need this, but I'm not going to need that. And then the second part, I'm just going to wipe out the baking soda to make sure there's no residue of baking soda in here because I don't want there to be a reaction here. Now I've got 30 millimeters of vinegar. So I poured some of the vinegar from here into the measuring cup, and now I'm going to pour the vinegar into this guy. Here we go. Okay. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's vinegar in this little cup. And now we're going to do the experiment. So what's going to happen, I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen. Why don't you guys try to guess what's going to happen? So I'm going to take this balloon and I'm going to put it over top of this. And then I'm going to flip this up and all the baking soda is going to go into the vinegar. What do you think is going to happen, Kayla and Milo Meisters? What do you think is going to happen? The baking soda is going to mix in with the vinegar. What do you think is going to happen when that happens? I don't know. Let's find out. So Mimi's going to hold this, and I'm going to try to stretch the balloon so that I can get it on without splitting it. Okay. So we got the vinegar here. We got the baking soda in the balloon.
Hold where the balloon is around the bottle, just in case.
Here?
No, where it's around the bottle.
Here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we don't know what's going to happen. This could be a big explosion. Here we go. I'm going to lift up. I want you to try to see it. Is it showing okay on the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to lift this up. We're going to see what's going to happen. All the baking soda is going to go into here. Whoa! Look at the balloon go! It's blowing up! Look at all this! Oh my word, it blew up the balloon.
Is it still blowing up?
Nope, that's as far as it's going to go, I think. So what do you think happened, Kayla and Milo Meisters? I'll tell you what happened. The baking soda mixed in with the vinegar and created a chemical reaction. And the chemical reaction generates carbon dioxide. When you blow, you're blowing out carbon dioxide. So just like this balloon being in my mouth and me blowing it up, the blowing up occurred with this chemical reaction generating carbon dioxide. And the gas, it's a gas, you don't see it, it's in the air. It has to go somewhere. And this is an enclosed container. Where's it going to go? So the best it can do is it goes up into the balloon and it inflates it because it's trying to get out, but it can't get out. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm going to stir it up. Maybe it'll make more carbon dioxide. Nope. And Grandpa's holding this so that it doesn't go flying off, but it didn't go flying off. So there you go. We just made, this experiment was called, what was it called? Let's see here. We did the one called blowing up a balloon with a bottle and baking soda. That's a good name for this experiment. So there you have it. Experiment number 1, 2, 3. So I hope you guys are doing well. We need to do a Skype sometime soon. And you can tell me how these science experiments are going and if you like them or not. So I hope you guys are having a good time in Tokyo. And hope you're taking care of your mommy and daddy. And hopefully we'll talk soon. I love you guys. And Mimi loves you too. Okay, bye-bye.